Hiya, so I'm just going to do a quick roundup of last year of the channel. There's not really much to say because I did neglect it a bit. So last year I wrote my first children's book, and it was something, I did do a video on this, but it was something I did like when I was a teenager. I wrote like these little stories and stuff about sheep that live in a little kind of foresty area called Garwood, and I came across my own drawings and things, and I thought I'm gonna make these into like little kid stories. So I got my first one out last year, and since then I have done 2 more sheep ones. So I've got the first 3 out, and a piggy book as well. That's like a little rhyming book, and I'm currently doing my second piggy book at the moment. And there's some other sheep ones in the work. I haven't properly started those. It's just got like a rough story to them at the moment. So yeah, I got some books out. When it comes to the actual channel, the majority of the tutorials were digital. So I've done like creating colouring pages and making a speaking animation really easy, and like making a repeating pattern if you want to use it to create products on like Redbubble and Zazzle and places like that. So there's a few tutorials like that, as well as some other ones that are in there. I think I've done a crochet one. That was the snake pendant from Neverending Story. That one actually took me quite a while to do, so that's probably why I didn't film for a bit, because I was busy trying to make that and didn't want to keep doing other things at the same time. And then I finished off with a couple of Christmassy tutorials. So last year wasn't great for tutorials. Some stuff happened and I just lost my mojo and just couldn't find the will to craft as much. So hopefully I'll get on that better this year. I still feel like I'm a bit of a slump, but I have plenty of ideas ready and going. That I just need to find that bit of oomph to actually start crafting again. So that's with that. And if you've been watching my videos and everything, you saw I was part of the YouTube Partner Perks, which is the same thing as the year before, which was called YouTube High Five, where they send you like little perks like food vouchers and stuff. So I had like the Wagamama's chicken and stuff, Papa John's pizza, Costa, where I got like a really nice bacon roll. Then they had like merch and stuff like the clapper board that I was managed to get. I also got the poster, 20 years of YouTube poster. They did have a t-shirt at the same time, but I missed out on that, I was too slow. And they had a collab competition, which if you watched a video for that, when I actually put out the perks for that month, you'll see I weren't even sure if I was going to enter, because I didn't know who the hell I was going to enter with, and I did ask anyone if anyone wanted to enter with me. Didn't get any comments on that, so which is fine, because I asked a friend to collab with me and we ended up winning the competition. So we got £800 worth of vouchers to spend. She let me use all of them because she's in America. It was for the UK site. And in that I got like a bunch of tech stuff, and I also got a G-Cloud, which is like a little gaming machine thingy. And using that, I have started another channel. It's a gaming channel. I've already filmed loads for that because it's really easy for me to do. You can just sit down for an hour and just play something. So it's quite easy to put videos up on that. So I've actually got loads of them scheduled already that I've already filmed. So I'm way ahead on that. Which has given me enough time to get back to crafting. Like I said, I've got plenty of ideas. I just need to get that little oomph to get back into it and start filming. Hopefully that should be soon, because yeah, I don't want to leave it too long. But yeah, so more crafts should be coming up. So I hope I'll try and do a mixture of crafts, because I tend to get into something and then do loads of craft of that single thing. Like I went through a phase where I was doing quite a bit of crochet. Like I say, last year was a lot of digital stuff. I want to try and get it all varied again. So I've got plenty of ideas. Just got to, like I say, just got to start it. And have a nice bright day as well, because it's been very grey. But yeah, that's it. So loads of crafts are going to be coming up eventually. And if you do like games, I do retro gaming. I don't do anything new. It's just I'm not talking. Like, the first couple of videos I actually spoke, but I don't talk enough to talk through videos. I'll probably just repeating the same things or swearing when I die and stuff, because I get angry when I game. So it's just gameplay, it's not talking over it as well. I keep like most of the footage raw, so it's me as I'm playing it. So if I'm rubbish at a game, you will see me die multiple times. I don't cut those out. I don't cut out dying just to try and make myself look perfect. I'm not perfect. I've been gaming since I can remember, but I'm still like not perfect. I die a lot. I make stupid mistakes. And occasionally press the wrong button. Then shout at the character for not jumping when I said to jump. So yeah, if you like retro gaming, like, check that out. If you don't, then don't. So yeah, so hopefully more tutorials will be coming up soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Make up patchwork of our choice, scratch the love that time employs. Through our crafts we build and mend. In the end, hearts always blind. Materials they come alive. When we're together, dreams survive. Creativity flows and ends. In the end, hearts always blend.